Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, your go-to spot for smarter software tips and productivity hacks. Today we're diving into 5 word settings on PC you must change right now to help you take control of Microsoft Word and avoid common frustrations. These quick tweaks will make your workflow smoother and your documents cleaner. Now let's get started. Number 1. Disable auto-format to avoid unwanted changes. Auto-format can silently alter your text while you type, turning quotes, lists, and links into formats you didn't ask for. Disabling it gives you full control over how your content appears. It's a simple fix that prevents annoying surprises mid-edit. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the File tab in the top left corner of Word. This opens the Backstage view where you can access Word's core settings. Step 2. Select Options from the left-hand menu. This brings up the Word Options dialog box. Step 3. In the dialog box, click Proofing from the sidebar. This section controls spelling, grammar, and autocorrect features. Step 4. Click the Autocorrect Options button. A new window will appear with multiple tabs. Step 5. Go to the Auto Format as You Type tab. This is where Word's automatic formatting rules live. Step 6. Uncheck the boxes for features you want to disable, like automatic bulleted lists, smart quotes, and hyperlink formatting. This stops Word from making changes without your permission. Step 7. Click OK to save your changes and close all dialog boxes. Your settings are now updated and auto format is off. That's one down, and the next setting will make your editing even smoother. Stick around because the next tweak is a game changer. Number 2. Turn off smart quotes for clean text. Smart quotes often cause formatting issues when copying text into code editors, emails, or websites. Turning them off ensures your quotation marks stay clean and compatible across platforms. It's a quick fix that saves time and frustration. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the File tab in Microsoft Word. This opens the Backstage menu with key settings. Step 2. Select Options from the left-hand panel. The Word Options dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click Proofing in the sidebar. This section controls spelling, grammar, and autocorrect tools. Step 4. Click the Autocorrect Options button. A new window with multiple tabs will pop up. Step 5. Go to the Auto Format as You Type tab. This controls how Word formats text as you type. Step 6. Under Replace as You Type, uncheck Straight Quotes with Smart Quotes. This stops Word from converting straight quotes into curly ones. Step 7. For full control, switch to the Auto Format tab and uncheck the same option there. This ensures smart quotes are disabled during formatting actions too. Step 8. Click OK to save your changes and close all dialog boxes. Your quotes will now stay clean and consistent. Nice work! That tweak keeps your text sharp and shareable. The next setting will help you edit faster and smarter, so stick around. Number 3. Enable Read Mode for distraction-free view. Read Mode clears away toolbars and menus, giving you a clean, focused space to review your document. It's perfect for distraction-free reading and makes navigation smoother. This setting is especially useful during long edits or proofreading sessions. Let's do it. Step 1. Open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure it's the file you want to read without distractions. Step 2. Click the View tab at the top of the window. This reveals different layout options. Step 3. In the View section, select Read Mode. Word will instantly switch to a simplified full-screen view. Step 4. Alternatively, look at the status bar at the bottom of the Word window. Click the book icon to enter Read Mode directly. Step 5. To turn pages, use the arrows on the screen edges or press the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. This makes navigation seamless. Step 6. To zoom in on images, charts, or tables, just double-click the object. It will expand to fill the screen for easier viewing. Step 7. To exit Read Mode, click View and select Edit Documents, or simply press the ESC key. You'll return to the standard editing layout. That's how you unlock a cleaner reading experience in Word. Up next, a setting that protects your work from accidental loss, so don't miss it. Number 4, update default font for consistent styling. Changing the default font ensures every new document starts with your preferred style, saving time and keeping your formatting consistent. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in professional presentation. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. On the Home tab, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group. This opens the font dialog box. Step 2. Alternatively, press Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on Mac. It's a quick shortcut to the same settings. Step 3. In the dialog box, choose your preferred font, style, and size. This will be the new default for all future documents. Step 4. Click the Set as Default button in the lower left corner. A confirmation window will appear. Step 5. Select all documents based on the normal.tm template to apply the change globally. This ensures consistency across every new file. Step 6. Click OK to confirm and again to close the dialog box. Your new font setting is now locked in. That's how you set a clean, consistent font style for every new document. We've covered 4 powerful Word settings so far, and we've got one last one that'll help protect your work from unexpected data loss. Let's wrap it up strong. Number 5. Turn on Document Recovery Prompt at Startup. This setting helps you recover unsaved work if Word crashes or closes unexpectedly. It's a built-in safety net that can rescue your progress in seconds. Let's make sure it's switched on. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1, click File in the top left corner of Word. Then scroll down and click Options. Step 2, in the Word Options window, select Save from the left-hand menu. This opens all save-related settings. Step 3, check the box next to Save Auto Recover Information Every and set it to a short interval like 5 or 10 minutes. This ensures frequent backups. Step 4, also check the box for Keep the last auto-saved version if I close without saving. This enables Word to recover your work after an unexpected shutdown. Step 5, click OK to apply the settings. Word will now show the document recovery pane when it reopens after a crash. And that wraps up the 5th and final Word setting you should change right now. These quick tweaks can seriously level up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro for more smart tutorials.